This problem is pretty classic. I cover a similar pattern in lesson 212 in the life and death chapter on my channel. This problem is also very similar to problem 2.9 in the death section of this book. You can check out video 2.9 if you want. So black must save this stone, right? If white cuts off this stone, then black will not have enough ice space to live. So black's choices really are just A, B, C, D, E. These 5 choices. And many of them can be quickly eliminated. So if black plays this, then this will not be enough ice space. Right? So black will not be able to escape. If black plays this, then the correct answer for white would be this. Right? White does not want to play any kind of code here. White can play at the 2-1 point right here, and black is already dead. And you can work out the variations on your own. If black plays here, then similar story. White can just reduce black's ice space, and black will be dead. If black plays here, then this is the problem I covered in lesson 212, and it is almost exactly the same as problem 2.9 in the death section of this book. And the correct answer for white is to bend on the first line and then play the 1-2 point. So black cannot succeed with number 1. And of course you might think black maybe can play this if white plays here, and now black has a living shape, right? So you might get into some of these variations when you're calculating, and this is where you need to be careful, right? Because white's number 2 will play here first, right? Black can only play this, and now white will capture this stone, and black will have a dead shape. So you have to think about your opponent's best moves, not just any random move. So now we've eliminated all these 4 first moves, including this 2-1 point. We eliminated 5 moves by black, and we have this move remaining, and this is the correct answer. This will lead to a ko. So how does white start the ko? White can play this again, and now white plays the 1-2 point again. How does black make the ko now? Right? Black needs to be careful. If black plays here, then white can kill black by playing number 6. So black must play here, and white Atari, number 5. And black plays this, and this will be a ko. Black cannot try to capture these stones because this will be a bulky 5 shape. So black will fail if white connects at number 10. So black must keep this going in order to have 2 eyes. If black wins, then it will make a living shape. If black loses, then this will be a bulky 5 shape. So this is one variation where you can get to a ko. What if white plays here? Then this gets complicated. Black, once again, cannot play this because white will just extend and will force black to connect here. And this is already dead. And black cannot play this, obviously, because this will be a dead shape inside. Right? White will be able to make a bulky 5 shape in this ice space. So black's strongest response, once again, is to make this ko. White will capture first, but here I want to talk about something called the local ko threat. Right? Usually you think of ko, you need to play elsewhere in order to capture back. But here, what black can do is to play this. Right? If white ignores it, then black can live this way. Right? Black, by playing 9, can make a living shape. So, and white cannot connect here. Right? If white connects and ends the ko, black can also live this way. This is plenty of ice space. So white, in order to answer black's 7's ko threat, must play something else. Right? White can play here or here. Right? Either is fine. And black will play this, and the ko will continue this way. If white's 8 is here, then black still needs to capture back, right? If black plays here, this will be a bulky 5 shape. If black passes, then white can connect here, and ultimately white will be able to atari on the outside, and this will once again be a bulky 5 shape. So black will be dead. So black must capture back right now, and if black wins this ko, how does black win? Black cannot connect, right? If black connects, then this is a dead shape. Black has to win the ko this way, right? Now, black will capture this way to make 2 real eyes. Black cannot connect. So if you're white, you can find another local ko threat. You can play this. And now black should play this. And this will be a ko. So it's pretty interesting that both black and white can find one local ko threat. And local ko threats are really important in ko because local ko threats might alter the advantage of capturing first. Because in my introductory lesson on ko, I mentioned that one of the most important considerations in any ko is who captures first. But here, white captured first, but black had a local ko threat. So black actually captures first, but again, white also has a local ko threat. So white, by playing this, has the advantage back, right? So the advantage of first capture actually changed hands in this pattern, and it's pretty interesting to think about. So overall, the most important takeaway is this number 1 move, right? Black cannot play anywhere else. Playing elsewhere will lead to death on the corner. But playing number 1 will give black a fighting chance in a ko. Thank you for watching.